thank you so much for stopping by to our Threadsgiving. I'm so grateful and thankful to be blessed with every single one of you. It means so much. The purpose of our Threadsgiving was to give back to you and to show our appreciation for all of your continued support. Thank you so much for choosing us as a brand to follow, to engage with, to support. It means the world, and I really cannot be any more grateful. And I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsors who are equally as grateful for every single one of you as well. So thank you so much to DJ Inspires, to Belle's Decor. Look at this great, amazing balloon wall that she did for us. Thank you so much, Belle, for always coming through for us. Thank you so much to Shop Victory Rose, and also to our homegirls as well, and Clever Cami. Last but not least, Unique Knots. Thank you so much for providing your macrame piece. It was so beautiful. And thank you so much again, babes. I just cannot wait to see what God does with this brand. Remember, this brand is nothing without you. Thank you so much for stopping by today, Nina. It really means a lot, and I really love your skirt. It looks nice and comfy. But yes, thank you so much. I'm so grateful that you stopped by, and it was very nice meeting you. As you guys know, everyone that kind of walked in, as we were walking in, we were letting you know that we're doing Threadsgiving. That's just kind of the theme of today's art walk. So we kind of did that just with the intention of being like very thankful for everyone who stopped by, to support and just be here. And so I'm so blessed that we collaborated with a lot of other businesses and entrepreneurs who were so kind to go ahead and donate some of their items as well. So what I'm about to do right now is go ahead and start pulling the raffles for the winners. So what I want to do though is ask my goddaughter Anna, she'll come over here and show who's the first winner. Just go ahead and this, I guess, will be for the first one. It'll be for Clever Cami. It's a mug that says Threads with Purpose. So we're gonna go ahead and do DJ Inspires. We'll do Kelly.
Oh, what DJ?
This is for James. That was for DJ.
Nice.
That's awesome. That's such a good book.
It is a good book.
The next one is a really cool one. If you guys saw the balloon wall, I mean, how did you miss it, right? If you saw the balloon wall, this is our friend Belle. She donated $75 towards a balloon garland of your choice or a table setup. So this is a really, really good one. Let's see. Babe, can you go ahead and help me? This is gonna be an awesome one. Okay, thank you. This is Alyssa. Babe! Best for last, right? Okay, so homegirl Tiffany, she's right back there. She's the owner of Homegirl.
Tiffany.
Can you tell us a little bit about Homegirl? Because I love what you guys stand for.
Yeah, so Homegirl is a clothing brand, and it's a community. It's an online community for women. It's all about Homegirl supporting Homegirl. We have a little clothing line online right now, and we're on Instagram. We do interviews online, and we're always promoting. So yeah, that's all about.
Yes. Love that, right? Yeah, and maybe, yeah, we could give her a round of applause. Yeah, okay, maybe will you choose our last one, please? Our last winner? Okay, Nina, I met her. So she's a homegirl. I saw her, I met her. Awesome. Okay, thank you guys. That's it. That's it for our giveaway. Thank you for coming by. I really appreciate it. If it weren't for you guys, like our brand wouldn't be what it is. It wouldn't be growing or just going where it's going. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Okay, we can see. Whoa, this is sick. I haven't been over here, but we can see Alex. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? She's inside? Okay, but you're her husband. So what's up with your food? I can check it out.
Oh, absolutely. Well, we have a combination menu here.
Okay.
Vegan and regular barbecue.
Sick!
Good as it smells. Here's our pulled pork here.
Oh, I need to get some of that. Like ASAP, for sure.
It is fun. And we also have our vegan pulled pork over here, which is our full jack.
Okay, for sure. Now, do you guys have Instagram or like?
Yes, we do.
Okay, what is it? So I can put it in here. What's the plug? Okay, cool. Thank you guys. These are our neighbors. Hey, Jelena. We have some gay boys here, but I literally don't remember them being this big. Like, hey. So crazy. Look at the difference. Dude. Wow. The thickness though. The thickness. That's insane. Say hi guys. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to hit the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part out of this whole event was. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.